Hi, Soaring Solo community. I'm Reagan Wallace, and my show is Stage Mama, from child star to leading lady. I came to Jessica in January of 2025 with absolutely nothing but a burning desire to tell my story about growing up as a child actor with my stage mom. I had no idea where to begin, but Jessica got me started with bullet points. Bullet pointing my story, my life, which is my story. So this happened, then this happened, then this happened, then this happened. Short, simple bullet points. I finished that step. Then it was on to the next step of monologuing those bullet points, turning each one of those bullet points into a paragraph, a chunk, elaborating on that bullet point. Did that. Then we moved on to theatricalizing those bullet points, those monologues, turning those monologues into scenes with characters and dialogue back and forth. Once I finished that, I had about 120-ish page script. Then the next process was editing that 120 page-ish script to a 30-ish page script, which translates to about a 60-ish minute show. And I did it. I did it. And I'm here now at the end of May with less than 2 weeks until my preview at the Hollywood Fringe Festival with a show that I am so proud and so excited to share with the world. The biggest thing I learned during this whole process is that I am capable. I am capable of this, of doing something so huge in such a relatively short amount of time. I started this in January, and now I'm here. And this is the greatest thing I have ever done. But I couldn't do it alone. I could not have done this without Jessica's support, her wealth of knowledge, and her faith in me that never wavered, never made me feel like anything I was doing was impossible. And this community that Jessica has built, I could not have done it without you, without this. And I am proof that if I can do this, you can do this. And if you really want to see the proof, the real proof that's in the pudding, you'll come see the pudding, and you'll come see my show, Stage Mama, from child star to leading lady, in the Hollywood Fringe Festival at the Zephyr Theater on June 8th, 14th, or 27th. You can get tickets at the Hollywood Fringe website at hollywoodfringe.org or my website at reaganwallace.com, which will take you to the Hollywood Fringe website. And don't forget to use your discount code Soaring Solo, all one word, gets you $10 off your tickets. Come see what can be accomplished in such a short amount of time with such an incredible community and such an incredible support system. If I can do it, you can do it.